Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how I achieved the look that was in the first few seconds. So I'm taking the Quick Blue bleach powder and then I'm mixing it with 40 volume developer. And you're going to mix it to whatever consistency you prefer. And honestly, I didn't really need this much, but I put it to good use. If you haven't already, please watch my previous video where I constructed this wig. It's super easy and very detailed. I will post a link above. So my client only wanted the tips of her wig to be honey blonde. So I'm just adding the bleach to the hair. Really simple. You're gonna add little streaks in so it can blend into the perfect ombre. Make sure you flip the wig over to get to the other side because the bleach didn't go through. As you can see, the hair is already changing colors. So you gotta move really fast with this brand of bleach. So now I'm done adding the product. Gonna let this sit for about 30 minutes to get to the perfect color. I did a test strand earlier, so I know that's how long I should leave it on. And I'm about to rinse. Make sure you rinse out all the product, and now I'm gonna wash the hair with the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo. And I let it soak in that for about 20 minutes to remove all the brassiness. And as you can see, I added some to the top where I bleached the knots the day before, just to make sure that I'm removing the extra brassiness. Don't forget to check out part 1 where I bleached and plucked the knots. So this is the finished look. I'm gonna use these two products to curl the hair. The green bottle is the heat protectant and the Palmer's coconut oil is just to add a little shine to the hair. It smells really good. By the way, this wand is from Burlington. I believe I got it for about $12.99. I don't remember the size, but I know it's 2 inches longer than a regular wand, which is perfect because I wear the longer lens. So I'm just gonna continue curling. Now that I'm done curling, I'm just gonna define the part because she wanted a side part. So I'm gonna use the DaniaaDee foam. You can find this at any beauty supply store. I think I purchased it for about under $10. Now I'm just spraying a little of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray, and then I'm just gonna iron it all into place. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.